From Chic Done Cheap. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I transform my dining room using some decorative molding that you can pick up in your home store, Home Depot or Lowe's, and a can or two of paint. I decided to paint the bottom of the wall just a basic white and the top a shade of gray. And then I picked up some decorative molding that they call it like picture frame molding. And then I just measured and made boxes to fit the wall. So I had to measure the wall fully to see how I can make the boxes pretty much the same size and the spacing the same size, etc. Then I just used my power nailer, and my son used a little miter box, little store box that he picked up himself at Lowe's for I believe $15.99, and he cut all the pieces for me. Then I just went ahead and nail gunned them to the wall, put a little cork and wood filler to cover up any nail holes or gaps that were there, and then just gave it all a fresh coat of white paint, and then the top we just painted gray. So it was a quick, easy DIY, very inexpensive. Each strip of picture molding was 8 foot long, and they were only $3 and change a piece. So overall, I think I went through about 10 pieces total to finish my dining room. So I hope this inspires you to get crafty and DIY in your own home, and you can transform a room inexpensively in a couple of days, and don't be afraid to try it yourself. And the paint I did get on sale over the 4th of July paint sale they had at Home Depot, where you saved $10 a gallon. So I had just picked it all up ahead of time because I knew I had this project in the works. So I'm going to show you some pictures at the end of the video that shows the finished product, and I hope you enjoyed my quick DIY and how I transformed my home on a budget, but had fun doing it at the same time. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on social media on Instagram and Facebook. I do a lot of Insta stories. Hope to catch you all there and make some friends with you. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.